Xian Jiaspeed Electronic Technology Co., Limited is located in Xian, one of the world famous for ancient civilizations in the world. Passed the 9000 Quality System Certification and the National Military Standard Certification, providing professional circuit board production and processing, welding and electronic product design, assembly, debugging, and OEM one-stop business services for various national defense technology enterprises and high-tech enterprises. Jiaspeed sticks to professional people to do professional things. We have an innovative and cutting-edge design and development team, a professional production commissioning team, and a rigorous quality control team. Jiaspeed introduces advanced equipment to drive product upgrades, has international advanced machine production equipment, and provides customized electronic product design, function upgrade, optimization, and improvement for customers. Jiaspeed pays attention to materials. Product materials and suppliers have been certified by the quality system, carefully selected high-quality materials and rigorous testing procedures to ensure high-quality products. Jiaspeed always adheres to customer-oriented, and the electronic products shipped out of the factory have passed professional testing and inspection and implement the requirements of high quality, high efficiency, and high standards. Harmony and win-win, honesty and pragmatism are the enterprise spirit that Jiaspeed adheres to, and we look forward to cooperating with you for a win-win situation.